My name is Michael Peterson, and I am a senior research scientist in the Severe Storms Research Center at Georgia Tech, GTRI. So this flash is fundamentally different than what a typical lightning flash looks like. A typical lightning flash is usually only about 10 miles or less on a side, and that includes both in the horizontal direction as well as in the vertical direction. But certain lightning flashes and certain thunderstorms, including those that occur here in Georgia, can become quite larger in their horizontal direction. Essentially, the storm develops in a way that allows these flashes to grow to extreme sizes, actually hundreds of miles across. So what we found in this paper is a new lightning flash represents the maximum horizontal extent that's been recorded so far. So this new lightning flash extends a distance of 829 kilometers from one side to the next, and then it stretches for a total horizontal distance of 515 miles. Yeah, this flash was discovered by looking at our long record of satellite measurements provided by NOAA's Geostationary Observational Environmental Satellites, or GOES satellites. There's a sensor on there called the Geostationary Lightning Mapper, which is essentially a specialized high-speed camera that's able to detect and then map the horizontal extent of lightning flashes across the entire Americas. This has proven to be a very useful sensor, especially for looking at the extremes of the hazardous convective weather. This flash was in the GOES data for the longest time, but it wasn't exactly appreciated because it is too large and too complex to really be mapped properly. And so we found this flash by essentially going back and reperforming all of the mapping on every single lightning flash that was produced across the Americas over the entire time period when that new GOES satellite with this new geostationary lightning mapper instrument on board has been active. And through that reanalysis of all the data that's been collected so far from the GOES satellites, we're able to find a number of interesting flashes, and this is the top largest flash that came out of that effort.